guys, Dragon Gaming here. It's like Putin. Say hello. What's up? What's up? Hey, make sure you subscribe to Dragon Gaming. Right? Shut up. They know that. They always will subscribe, right? Come on. Right? If you haven't yet, do it right now. Like right now. Like right here, right now. I know you haven't done it yet. If you have done, leave a like. I know you haven't subscribed yet. And like, do it now. Please. I need the support. Vlog at night. I think this is number 5. I gotta check. It's night. With my dog. Da, 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 da. Okay, cool. Lay down. Come on. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. So yeah, I'm on TV right now. Watching Atlantic Craft. But yeah. Well, before I even want to talk about anything, there's this YouTuber I actually just met on a stream. I can't really pronounce his name, but I'll try. If you're watching this, I'm so sorry, but I think it was Erebus11. He's a really cool guy. He does GTA videos. He does lots of cool videos. So make sure you subscribe to him. Amazing. So if you guys know that's the description for my channel, join the Epic Warriors. I am gonna change that description soon. It's really old. Because it's a Clash Royale clan thing. There's just one thing. I left that clan. I joined a different clan. So yeah, that's gonna change a little bit. It's gonna be like Dragon Warriors, not Clash of Clans, but just Dragon Warriors. Tsunami! Okay, wait. Look how cute he is. What's up? Again, make sure you subscribe. I know you still haven't done yet. And like if you have subscribed to it. I know you haven't done it yet. And you dislike, get your butt, your face, and your entire body and your private out of this video. Because if you really disliked it, you suck. But if you're the subscribers who disliked it, you can still watch. I don't care if you're the subscriber who disliked it. But if you're someone else who haven't subscribed and disliked it, go kill yourself. So Erebus11, he's a cool guy. So yeah. I might go back to the stream and maybe talk about him. Extremist, if you're watching this now, in the comments, tell me, you know that thing I was talking about earlier, YouTuber's life, blah blah blah, if I should do another video, or you guys, put me in comments or leave a like on the video. Then I know that you guys want to, more likes. Because actually, it only has 3 likes. 3 videos. It only has 3 views, so I don't know. I think you guys hate it. I think you guys like it. I don't know. Only 3 views, guys. So yeah, tell me. See you guys next time. Outro!